In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design your garden with ChatGPT 2026 guide. We'll turn ChatGPT into your landscape co-designer so you can shape a clear plan before you pick up a shovel. You'll learn how to start a focused design session, feed in the site details that matter, visualize options, plan maintenance, and save everything for easy reference. Begin by signing into ChatGPT and opening a fresh conversation dedicated to your landscaping project. Kick things off with a strong master prompt that sets scope, style, and priorities. For example, you could say, "Help me design a 400 square meter modern backyard in my location. Include a vegetable patch, drought-resistant flower beds, and a seating area." Provide a step-by-step landscape plan. This single message gives ChatGPT the brief it needs to respond with structure rather than random ideas. Next, supply the site constraints so recommendations fit your space. Share your lot's dimensions and shape, noting slopes or odd corners. Describe sun exposure across the day. What's in full sun, partial shade, and deep shade because plant placement depends on it. Clarify your goals, whether you want maximum food production, a low-maintenance retreat, or a haven for pollinators. Add your local hardiness zone and typical first and last frost dates to support a custom planting and pruning calendar. The more precise you are, the better the plan will match reality. If your version of ChatGPT supports images and design tools, ask for simple garden sketches or overhead layout mockups to see where beds, paths, and structures could go. You can also request photorealistic 3D inspirations to explore styles like Japanese, English cottage, or modern minimalist and compare how each suits your space. Use available image editing features to highlight areas and request changes, such as swapping a gravel path for stepping stones, so the design evolves quickly through clear feedback. Move into detailed planning and maintenance. Ask for plant lists tailored to your climate and goals, and include companion planting guidance, like which herbs pair well with tomatoes to boost health and deter pests. Request a practical work schedule that covers site prep, soil improvement, installation, and seasonal care. To make execution easier, have ChatGPT compile local nurseries and reputable online sources for the native plants and materials in your plan. Finally, save the entire conversation thread or use your browser's print function to create a hard copy you can bring into the garden. Revisit and rerun your prompt each season to refine layouts, update plant choices, and adjust the maintenance calendar as your garden matures. And that is all for today. Utilizing AI as a design partner allows you to experiment with layouts and plant varieties before you ever pick up a shovel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.